Hello and welcome to the first real in-game tornado chasing, intercepting video. Today we will be hunting some tornadoes, and maybe even a wedge tornado. Shout out to Molly_Mouth for helping me make this video. We were moving towards Hazelton. We parked for a second so that I could get the lookout spot. At 9 a.m. a little blob was forming, so we headed straight for it. 9:30 it had already intensified, and a warning had been issued over West Viroqua. The storm had intensified a lot. The storm was slowly growing, and was creating a tail. Cape was very high. The eye had now formed, and the radar showed rotation. A tornado had formed on radar. Here we got the first glimpse of the tornado.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail, located near Prior Lake, east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Prior Lake, doors to a sturdy building, avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain.
Yeah, we just missed the tornado. The tornado had intensified a lot, so we drove towards it, hoping to intercept again. probe down, preparing to intercept. At 3:28 p.m. we do our first intercept. We made it. Max wind speed was 146. Preparing to intercept again.